Welcome back. We got another video here of this eMV. We're on the Interstate doing about 60 or so. You can probably hear how quiet it is. It's super quiet. The only thing we hear is a little bit of tire and a little bit of air outside. Doing 65. I think we were limited on this one right now. But Rush of North Georgia, 678-466-9231. Hang with us a second here. Steve tries we got some regenerative braking here that does. That'll increase your range a little bit. Looks like we've got 290 miles on this particular truck. Should be a couple 100-mile range is what we'd estimate at full charge, but obviously that'll vary on what kind of conditions you're in. But no, this is super nice, very quiet. Reminds me of riding in a Tesla or something along those lines. Give us a call. Rush of North Georgia, 678-466-9231. Love to help you out and discuss options. I believe we have a LT coming our way as well before too long. These will be perfect for in-city delivery operations and stuff like that. Obviously, they're not going to take the place of over-the-road diesel motors long-term, but for something on a more city-based, regional-based, local deliveries, this would be a perfect setup for something like that. Give us a call. Love to help you out. Y'all have a good one.